Today's project got an RV. I believe it's shit, I don't know, 40 foot or something like that. We're going to paint restoration, whole full exterior, compound, wax, the 10th floor and sealed, windows of course, tires and wheels, clean and dress, chrome polish. Yeah, got scratches, minor scratches here and there, not that bad. Definitely oxidated. They no shine in the back, no shine. Once I'm done with this, it's gonna look like glass. Even them lines up there. Okay. Once I'm done with this, it's gonna look like showcase. Alright. Get back to you with the after.